Dear ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to report to you on the sound revenue and earnings growth recorded by the Wienerberger Group in the first quarter of 2014. From January to March, we increased group revenues by 19% to 585 million euros. Operating EBITDA rose significantly from 2 million euros in the first quarter of 2013 to 28 million euros this year. One key factor for this positive development was the unusually mild weather in Europe at the start of this year. The past year saw large parts of Europe covered with snow that lasted well into April. In contrast, construction was able to proceed almost continuously this year due to the mild temperatures. The clay building material division benefited the most from this development. Based on a double-digit volume growth, revenues rose by 29% and operating EBITDA by 26 million euros. These results were supported by 6 million of cost savings in this division. The Pipes and Paver Europe division also generated sound results in the first quarter with an increase of 11% in revenues and roughly 3 million in operating EBITDA. Pipelife, our plastic pipe producer, benefited from the mild weather in its European core markets, but was unable to duplicate the record prior year results in the international project business for industrial and special pipes. At Steinzeit-Keramo and Semmelrock, higher volumes led to clear improvements in earnings. In contrast to Europe, the winter was especially severe in the eastern and southeastern regions of the United States and in Canada. This led to a sharp drop in construction activity and to weaker business development in North America. External revenues in this division fell by 4% and operating EBITDA by nearly 2 million in the first 3 months. Although our results of the first quarter were sound, I want to confirm our communicated targets for the full year. The mild weather led to a certain amount of advanced purchases by the construction industry. But this did not change the underlying momentum in our core markets and should not have a major impact on the development of earnings for the full year. I expect a return to the profit zone in 2014 with forecasted EBITDA of roughly 300 million. After years of restructuring, Wienerberger appears to have reached the turning point and has paved the way for future growth. Even if only weak tailwinds can be expected from the market, we have resumed our growth course. Our strategic focus lies on organic growth through innovative products that create added value for our customers, as the following examples show. In the brick business, we are continuing the rollout of the material wool-filled brick in additional countries. In Austria, we opened a filling line for these products in September 2013, and a similar plant in the Czech Republic started operations in March 2014. At the largest industry trade fair in Munich, Steinzeit-Keramo recently introduced 4 product innovations that offer additional value for our customers. New models in trendy colors and shapes that will create additional design opportunities for our customers were also introduced for our facade bricks and concrete pavers at the start of the season. Through the continuous development of our products, we differentiate ourselves from the competition and create quality living and value for our customers. And that makes me optimistic that we will be able to continue our course in the future.